Bonjour à tous, welcome to Adult French, and I am Prashansa, your online French facilitator, where French sounds easy. Today we are going to learn how to conjugate verb être in present tense. Être means to be. It is an auxiliary verb en français and it is très important. It's very important to learn verb être by heart. Now, why it is important to learn verb être? Because if you will make command over the verb être, it will help you to conjugate the verb in past tense as well. Be with me till the end of the video and I'll make sure that you are able to conjugate the verb être only in 10 seconds. In this video, I'm going to teach you step-by-step conjugation of the verb être. Before going to verb être directly, let us see what are subject pronouns. Yes, in French we call it les pronoms sujets. Les pronoms sujets. What is pronom sujet? Pronom sujet means the subject pronouns. The subject pronouns. बहुत सारे बच्चों को कॉन्जुगेशन इसलिए भी नहीं आता है क्योंकि उन्हें यही नहीं पता होता कि सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउंस क्या होते हैं. So let us first of all see subject pronouns in English. Can you tell me what are subject pronoun in English? Let us see. Subject pronoun in English are I, you, he, she, it, they, we. Right? So these are the subject pronoun in English. Right? अब हमको ये सीखना है that what do we call these subject pronoun en français? Okay, here we are. I have divided subject pronouns into two parts. First is singular subject pronouns and plural subject pronouns. What are singular subject pronouns? It's obviously I, you, he, she, it. These are called as singular subject pronouns. Now, how do you say I in French? It's je. Je. It is the soft sound je. Try to speak measure. Measure. Je. Exactly. This sound has to be pronunciated. Many students make this mistake by calling it J or Jo. It's never J or Jo, it's always Je. Je. Good. Next is tu. Tu. Tu means जैसे आप हिंदी में तू बोलते हो, आप तू किसको बोलते हो? You speak tu with your friends or somebody who is younger to you, right? So you. Tu means you, but used in informal terms for friends or somebody who is younger to you, your younger ones. Il. Il means he. Il. He. Elle. Elle. Never LA. No. Elle. She. Then on. On means one or we. Informal. Informal. We. Like people or someone. For example, if you want to say about your friends that we are going to the cinema. So here you will use on. On. Right? So on is for we or one. For example, one should behave properly, one should be kind to others, likewise. Now, when it comes to plural, what are plural subject pronouns? It's we, you all, they for masculine group and they for feminine group. How do we say that in French? Let's see. We. What's we in French? Nous. Nous. It's never nous. Last S always remain silent. Nous. Next, vous. Vous, not vous, vous. You for formal term or plural you. For example, if I'm talking to my parents, to my teachers, with somebody who is elder to me, when I want to address them with respect, okay? So, वो means आप. जैसे हम हिंदी में आप use करते हैं, similarly you can use vous in French. Vous, आप. So, it is for formal terms and also for plural. When you want to address more than one person, you can always use vous. So vous is for formal as well as plural, and tu is for informal or single person when you're talking to when they are younger to you. So tu and vous. Tu means tu and vous means up. For better understanding, you can learn like this. Next, il, not ils, il and l. Il and l. Il and L. Now, il is for they, but masculine group. Masculine group or mixed group. What do you mean by mixed group? Mixed group means when there's a group of girls and boys both. Suppose if it is a group of 10 girls and 2 boys or 5 boys, so this is a mixed group. Now this mixed group will be considered as they, like il. And what about L? L means feminine group. Group of girls only is considered as L. Let us revise once again. Je, tu, il, elle. Singular subject pronouns. Nous, vous, il, elle. Got it? Now pause the video for a second and repeat yourself. Now here we have the verb être along with their pronunciations and the meanings. Let's look one by one. Je suis. Last is silent. Je suis, I am. Tu es, you are. Il est, he is. Elle est, she is. On est, one is or we are. That is informal. Again, je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, on est. Here N will overlap the sound of E and this is called as liaison. Liaison, on A. On A means one is or we are. Next, nous sommes, not nous sommes, nous sommes, we are. Vous êtes. Here what's happening? S will overtake the sound of E. Vous êtes. You are formal or plural. Ils sont. They are for masculine group or for mixed group, like boys and girls mixed group. Elles sont, which is for they are feminine girls group. Again, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Now let us repeat from beginning. It's je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, on est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Hope you get it. Now let us look at few examples. Let us see how to frame sentences with verb être. Je suis élève. I am a student. Élève means student. Here, S will overtake the sound of E. Hence, it will become zélève. In liaison, S changes to Z sound. Zélève. Je suis élève. That means I am a student. Tu es heureux. Here, last X is silent and H always remains silent in French. So it will be tu es heureux. Heureux means happy. Tu es heureux. You are happy. Il est. What do you mean by il est? Il est means he is. A médecin means doctor. Médecin. Il est médecin. He is a doctor. Il est médecin. Elle est gentille. Double L silent. Gentille. She is kind. LA means she is. Gentille. Kind. She is kind. On est prête. Prête means ready. We are ready. On est prête. We are ready. Informal. Nous sommes amis. S will overlap the sound of A. Nous sommes amis means we are friends. Nous sommes amis. We are friends. Vous êtes. Again, S will overlap the sound of E. Vous êtes professeur. Vous êtes professeur. You are a teacher or you are a professor. Ils sont intelligents. Ils sont intelligents. They are intelligent for masculine group. Elles sont contentes. They are happy. Elles sont contentes. They are happy. Now, after this, we will do one exercise. Ça va? All right, let's do this exercise together. Question is, fill in the blanks with the correct form of être. Je dash fatigué. What do you mean by fatigué? Fatigué means tired. Tired. And what conjugation do you write with je? Oui. Say suis. Je suis fatigué. I am tired. Je suis fatigué. Tu dash en classe. Tu dash en classe. Tu es. You are in class. Il dash mon ami. What do you write with il? Yes, est. Il est mon ami. He is my friend. Elle dash gentille. Elle est gentille. She is kind. Gentille, kind. Nous dash à l'école. Nous dash à l'école. Nous sommes. Nous sommes. Nous sommes à l'école. Vous dash très poli. Vous dash très poli. What do you write with vous? Yes, I. Accent aigu. TES. Vous êtes très poli. You are very polite. Poli, polite. Il dash content. Il dash content. We write SONT with il. Ils sont contents. Elle dash intelligent. Elles sont intelligents. Elles sont intelligents. They are kind for feminine group and they are happy for masculine group. All right. Now I want you all to make your own sentences using verb être and write that in comment section. I'll definitely check your answers and will give reply to you. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to share with your friends who are struggling to learn French. Au revoir, and I'll be back soon with more such verbs in my next videos. À bientôt.